What's going on, guys? It's Connor from M Creek Renovations, and tonight we're going to continue laying the LVP all throughout the hallway, into the back 2 bedrooms, and the master bedroom. The biggest push to get the flooring done in the kitchen was the countertop contractor came in. We ended up going with the waterfall edge on the island, and I wanted to have the flooring done before so that the waterfall will then come directly over and just lay flush, and everything will be a clean transition. So I wanted to get that done. We were able to push through that. I'm on the hallway and the back bedrooms. Let's do a little progress shot. Hallway, this little bath, and this is where I stopped. So I got a little bit more to do, but enough talk. Let's go ahead and get started. So if you're new to laying LVP flooring, each brand kind of has its own locking technology. For example, this is a click to lock. So if you can see that, so you have one end on this side, the other will receive it, and essentially these will go in together and snap into place. And then when it is officially clicked in, this is the biggest thing, is that when you go to hit in the planks, they'll start to raise up, and then it'll immediately sit flush. But that's how you know it's officially in. And then there's no seams, everything's seamless. And what's nice about this type of flooring is that it's already built in with the underlayment. Whatever flooring you end up going with, make sure you check the warranty or the company recommendations. If they say, hey, you need to put down underlayment underneath the vinyl plank, then that's what you need to do. Luckily, this is already installed. I can put it on pretty much anything, except if it was for concrete floors, you have to put down a vapor barrier before putting the LVP. But definitely reach out to the manufacturer just to double check, but it should all be online. Anyway, just a quick tip. So I started stacking the flooring as I go. Just one row is farther than the other. Now I'm gonna start finishing each row, starting with this piece over here. I needed to cut around the closet column, but let's go ahead and put that piece in. Quick tip when you're laying LVP flooring is behind me, I'm pulling from 3 different boxes. I'm doing that because every brand usually contains about 5 to 6 to 7 different patterns. And these patterns, what you don't want to do is pull from a box the same pattern twice and lay it either next to each other or lined up next to each other. And then when you take a step back and when you're walking into the room, you can actually see it. So that's one thing that we're trying to avoid. It's just a quick tip, it makes it look more smooth. All right guys, just finished up this bedroom. So far I have 2 more left to do, so stay tuned for that. But if you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share it to your friend, and stay tuned for the next one.